Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video of HA Creation.
One, two, three, come on!
Open the settings of your device from notification panel or apps tray. Now find accounts and backup and tap on it. Now again tap on accounts and select the Google account whose password you want to change. Now tap on Google account. Swipe here and find the security tab. It's the fourth tab. Tap on it. Here tap on password and it will start loading. It depends on the speed of your internet connection. Until then, you should subscribe our channel. Tap on continue and it will ask for confirmation through your screen lock. You can use your password or fingerprint if you have fingerprint sensor in your device. Here I am using my fingerprint. After it recognizes your fingerprint, it will again start loading. Now here, type your new password and tap on change password. Obviously I am not trying my password. It will show you this dialog box if you are using this account on multiple devices. Simply tap on OK, change password. Your password has been changed. Now if you want to log out from other devices, tap on secure account in the first dialog box. Here tap on your devices and it will show you the other device on which you are logged in. Simply tap on remove to log out from the device. Further, you can also remove access to those apps who are using your Google account, which is known as third-party access. You can also remove them from remove access.